In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a co-host on Airbnb. Being a co-host can be a great way to gain experience in managing a property and can also be a good way to earn some extra income. Whether you're looking to lend a helping hand to a friend or you're diving into the hospitality world for the first time, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Let's start by heading over to Airbnb's website. Once you're on the platform, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to create one, but for today's purpose, let's assume you already have an account set up. Logging in is a simple process and is your gateway to accessing all the helpful tools and settings Airbnb offers to its hosts and co-hosts. Once you're logged in, locate your profile. Your profile is an essential part of your Airbnb experience. It not only tells others about you, but also gives you access to your hosting dashboard. Now, go to the hosting section within your profile. This area is the command center for Airbnb hosts, where you can manage your listings, communicate with guests, and adjust your hosting settings. After navigating to the hosting section, click on Listings. Here you'll see a list of properties you're involved with. This is where you can view all the properties you're hosting or co-hosting. The next step is to find the specific listing where you'd like to become a co-host. If you're new to co-hosting, the main host of the property will send you an invitation. You'll typically receive this either via email or through an Airbnb notification. Keep an eye on your notifications and emails to ensure you don't miss it. Once you have received the invitation, it's crucial to accept it in order to proceed. Accepting the invitation marks the beginning of your official role as a co-host. Click on the invitation link, which will redirect you to where you'll formally accept your role on the listing. With the invitation accepted, it's now time to set up your co-host access. As a co-host, you'll be able to manage several tasks that are vital to maintaining the property and ensuring guests have a positive experience. Your responsibilities may include messaging with guests, managing reservations, updating the listing calendar, and handling check-ins and cleanings. Airbnb will also inform you of the specific permissions you have as a co-host, making it clear what actions you are authorized to perform on behalf of the main host. Congratulations! You're now ready to start co-hosting on Airbnb. With these steps, you're well on your way to helping create memorable stays for guests around the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful hosting tips.